Moseley was listed in the Domesday Book of 1086, but developed itself around a Victorian shopping area known as Moseley Village. Here follow the words of Thomas Anderton, writing in 1900 of his youth in the book A Tale of One City, the New Birmingham. It was a pretty little village in those days. The old village green, the rustic country inns, of which the Fighting Cocks was the chief, and some low-roofed old-fashioned houses by the parish church tower made up a picture which remains in my mind's eye. The railway tunnel, which is now looked upon as only a long bridge, was then regarded as something large in its way and perhaps slightly dangerous, almost justifying a little something strong to sustain courage when travelling through it. I now often visit Moseley. The prevailing colour of the old village green is now red brick, and the modern colour does not agree so well with my vision of the more rustic tones of the bygone day, whilst the noise and bustle of tramcars, the swarms of suburban residents that emerge from the train station, especially at certain times in the day, are fast wiping out the peaceful, pretty Moseley of my youthful days.